Welcome everyone to my video on health economics and outcomes research, or HEOR. This fascinating field sits at the intersection of several disciplines: economics, health sciences, and data analytics. Its core aim is to evaluate healthcare interventions, policies, and systems not just from a clinical perspective, but also considering their cost-effectiveness, quality, and outcomes. Today, I'll explore why this is crucial across various sectors in healthcare, including pharmaceutical companies, payers, and healthcare organizations. I'll delve into the foundational courses that provide the groundwork for understanding and contributing to this field, and discuss the advanced skills needed to thrive in diverse career paths within HEOR. So let me embark on this journey together to uncover how HEOR plays a pivotal role in shaping our healthcare landscape. HEOR is crucial across various sectors in healthcare due to its comprehensive approach in evaluating the value of healthcare interventions from multiple perspectives: clinical, economic, and humanistic. This multidisciplinary field helps stakeholders make informed decisions that balance cost, quality, and patient outcomes. Let me explain the general role of HEOR in the pharmaceutical industry. 1. Evidence generation. HEOR teams in drug companies work like detectives. They gather clues, evidence to show why their medicines are useful. This means doing studies to see how their drugs can save money, work well in treating diseases, and make patients feel better. HEOR teams in pharmaceutical companies are tasked with generating evidence to demonstrate the value of their products. This involves conducting studies that assess the economic impact, clinical effectiveness, and patient-reported outcomes associated with their drugs. A patient-reported outcome is PRO, and a health outcome that a patient directly reports. PROs can include a patient's health, quality of life, or functional status. 2. Real-world evidence, RWE, generation, which means looking at real life beyond traditional clinical trials. HEOR teams increasingly focus on generating real-world evidence to demonstrate how a drug performs in everyday real clinical practice. This can provide insights into the drug's effectiveness, safety, and value in a real-world setting. 3. Patient-centered research, which means putting patients first. HEOR is all about understanding and valuing patients' experiences and opinions. It focuses on how treatments can make a real difference in the day-to-day lives of patients, reflecting a larger trend towards making healthcare more patient-focused. By emphasizing feedback directly from patients and considering their quality of life in evaluating new treatments, HEOR aligns with the wider healthcare shift towards care that centers around what's truly best for patients. 4. Market access and reimbursement strategy, simply saying getting medicines to people. This is important when talking to insurance companies and making sure patients can get the medicine. HEOR data is crucial for market access strategies, helping to ensure that new drugs are reimbursed by payers. This involves demonstrating the cost-effectiveness of a drug compared to existing therapies, which is critical for negotiating reimbursement rates with insurance companies and healthcare providers. 5. Regulatory support, which means helping with rules and approval. The information generated by HEOR teams supports regulatory submissions and is used to communicate the value proposition of new drugs to regulatory agencies. This can aid in the approval process by highlighting the potential benefits of the drug in the context of the healthcare system. 6. Commercial strategy development. This includes deciding prices. HEOR helps figure out how much a medicine should cost. HEOR findings are used to inform commercial strategies, including pricing, by providing insights into the economic value of the drug. This helps pharmaceutical companies to set prices that reflect the drug's value to patients, healthcare providers, and payers. 7. Stakeholder engagement. This can be talking to people who care. HEOR professionals engage with a variety of stakeholders, including healthcare providers, payers, and patient advocacy groups, to communicate the value of their products. This involves presenting HEOR data in a clear and accessible manner to support decision-making. They share what they found to help these groups make smart choices about medicines. The role of HEOR in pharmaceutical companies is multifaceted, encompassing evidence generation, market access, regulatory support, commercial strategy development, stakeholder engagement, real-world evidence generation, and patient-centered research. These activities are crucial for demonstrating the value of pharmaceutical products and ensuring their successful launches, adoption, and use within the healthcare system. Some pharmaceutical companies call HEOR as value evidence and outcome, or health economics and payer evidence. Now let me move on to the healthcare payer industry. The payer industry includes insurance companies, government healthcare programs, and other entities responsible for financing healthcare services. In this industry, HEOR plays a critical role in informing decision-making processes regarding which healthcare services, treatments, and drugs to cover and at what cost. The goal of HEOR in this context is to ensure the sustainability of healthcare systems while maximizing patient health outcomes. Here's how HEOR contributes. 1. Evidence-based coverage decisions. HEOR provides payers with evidence on the effectiveness and cost-effectiveness of medical treatments and interventions. This evidence helps payers decide which treatments should be covered under their plans, ensuring that their beneficiaries have access to the most effective and efficient healthcare options. Budget impact analysis. HEOR helps payers understand the financial impact of adopting new healthcare technologies and treatments. By analyzing the potential costs and savings associated with new interventions, payers can make informed decisions that align with their budgetary constraints and healthcare goals. 3. Formulary management. HEOR informs the development and management of formularies, which are lists of drugs and treatments that a payer will reimburse. By evaluating the clinical benefits and cost-effectiveness of different drugs, HEOR helps payers prioritize which medications should be included in their formularies to provide the best value to their beneficiaries. 4. Negotiating drug prices and reimbursement rates. HEOR data supports payers in negotiating prices and reimbursement rates with pharmaceutical companies and healthcare providers. By leveraging evidence on the value of treatments, payers can negotiate more favorable terms that reflect the true value of healthcare interventions. 5. Population health management. HEOR enables payers to identify cost-effective strategies for managing the health of their populations, especially for chronic conditions that require long-term care. This includes evaluating preventive measures, disease management programs, and patient education initiatives to improve health outcomes and reduce healthcare costs. 6. Policy development. HEOR informs the development of healthcare policies and guidelines that payers use to govern their coverage decisions. By grounding policies in evidence on healthcare outcomes and economics, payers can ensure that their practices promote high-quality, cost-effective care. 7. Patient-centered care. HEOR emphasizes the importance of patient-reported outcomes and quality of life measures in evaluating healthcare interventions. This focus helps payers align their coverage decisions with the needs and preferences of their beneficiaries, promoting patient-centered care. In summary, HEOR provides the payer industry with the tools and evidence needed to make informed decisions about healthcare coverage, pricing, and policy. By integrating clinical, economic, and patient-reported data, HEOR helps payers manage costs effectively while ensuring access to high-quality care for their beneficiaries. Lastly, managed healthcare organizations, such as health maintenance organizations, HMOs, preferred provider organizations, PPOs, and accountable care organizations, ACOs, are responsible for providing healthcare services to their members while managing the costs and quality of care. HEOR plays a vital role in these organizations by providing evidence-based insights that help in making informed decisions regarding healthcare management, policy, and practice. Here's how HEOR contributes. 1. Informing coverage decisions. HEOR helps manage healthcare organizations determine which medical treatments, procedures, and drugs to cover. By assessing the cost-effectiveness and outcomes of different healthcare interventions, HEOR ensures that members have access to effective and efficient care options. 2. Guiding clinical practice. The evidence generated by HEOR studies assists in developing and updating clinical guidelines and best practices. This ensures that healthcare providers within the organization deliver care that is both evidence-based and aligned with the latest research findings. 3. Supporting value-based care. Managed healthcare organizations are increasingly adopting value-based care models where reimbursement is tied to the quality of care provided rather than the volume of services. HEOR provides the data and analyses needed to measure the value of healthcare services, facilitating the shift towards value-based arrangements. 4. Enhancing patient outcomes. HEOR focuses on measuring and improving patient-reported outcomes, such as quality of life and satisfaction with care. This patient-centered approach helps manage healthcare organizations tailor their services to better meet the needs and preferences of their members. 5. Facilitating healthcare utilization management. HEOR analyses can identify areas where healthcare resources may be overused or underused. Managed healthcare organizations use these insights to optimize healthcare utilization, ensuring that members receive appropriate care without unnecessary expenditures. 6. Driving innovation in healthcare delivery. HEOR supports the evaluation of new healthcare delivery models and technologies within managed care settings. By analyzing the impact of innovative approaches on outcomes and costs, HEOR helps organizations adopt effective innovations that enhance care quality and efficiency. 7. Negotiating contracts and reimbursements. HEOR evidence is used in negotiations with healthcare providers and pharmaceutical companies to ensure that contracts and reimbursement rates reflect the value and effectiveness of the services and medications provided. In summary, HEOR serves as a foundation for evidence-based decision-making in managed healthcare organizations, helping them to provide high-quality, cost-effective care to their members while navigating the complexities of the healthcare system. When you choose one of these career paths, you may need to equip yourself with some disciplines, because this field is a blend of key disciplines that come together to form a comprehensive view of healthcare. I recommend you develop your skills by taking some courses: health economics, biostatistics, epidemiology, health policy, advanced modeling techniques, health technology, assessment, HTA, real-world evidence generation, leadership and management in healthcare, project management and communication skills, and ethics in health economics and outcomes research. You can start with foundational courses in health economics, where you'll learn how economic principles apply to healthcare decisions. Biostatistics will equip you with the tools to analyze medical data effectively. Epidemiology helps you in understanding the distribution and determinants of health-related states or events in specified populations, and the application of this study to control health problems, and provides crucial insights for HEOR. And health policy provides insights into the laws and regulations that shape healthcare. As you advance, you'll delve into modeling techniques, which are crucial for predicting healthcare outcomes, health technology assessment to evaluate new medical technologies, and the generation of real-world evidence, which uses data from everyday clinical practice. Each of these areas plays a vital role in various sectors, from pharmaceuticals to public health, shaping the future of healthcare. The recommended courses span several key disciplines, ensuring a well-rounded expertise in HEOR. There are some core competencies which require you to be equipped, and some optional competencies such as advanced modeling techniques and hands-on capabilities. In very diverse areas within the HEOR field, you may need to have a different level of competency. Thank you for watching.